Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SOLVATION token. Now this token is live for pre-sale. I just saw an update on this token saying that they sold 70% of their pre-sale tokens in just 1 week from launch. So according to this site here, this token is doing very well, and we're going to go over the information on the SOLVATION token. We're going to look for audits, see if there's any red flags, any potential risks or anything like that involved here. And we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their webpage is solvation.io. So it shows a bunch of memes on here. Pepe, WEEX, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin. And it has a link to Jupiter here. It says buy SOLV, which is the ticker symbol for SOLVATION. But that's not lit up yet because right now they are in pre-sale. So eventually when the pre-sale is all over, they have this button set up where you'll be able to click on this. It'll take you to Jupiter. So if you are watching this video way later and this pre-sale, the pre-sale is over and this token's live on DEXs, you'll be able to get this token off of RAYDIUM and Jupiter by funding your Phantom wallet or Soulflare wallet with SOL, going into the dApps, finding RAYDIUM or Jupiter, and then trading your SOL for the SOLV token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, solvation.io. Now, on their tokenomics section on their webpage, it says the token address is to be announced. So it doesn't even look like they have their token address listed on there, which is a shame because then, you can't really take it and then verify it, for security and stuff like that. Maybe they have it listed somewhere else. Hopefully we could find it, but it does not in their tokenomics section. It says 6 decimal places. SOLVATION's the name of the token and SOLV is the ticker symbol. Now, it says here that 70% of the tokens go to pre-sale and liquidity, 10% to community, 10% development, 10% marketing, and there is a total supply of 3,333,333,333 tokens. So it says sale ends, it's got a countdown on here, in about 6 days. So according to an article I was just looking at, the pre-sale has been going on for a week, and they're doing very well. It says 78% sold on their webpage, and it says token distribution will be 72 hours after the pre-sale ends. So if you buy this pre-sale or if you've already bought it, then your tokens will be distributed out 72 hours after the pre-sale. They'll be airdropped. It says LP tokens will be 100% burned. And it says taxes. How could we tax people seeking SOLVATION? Tax will be 0%. So you won't have to worry about slippage or anything like that. So it says pre-sale is live. When your soul is tired of all the financial burdens, you must seek SOLVATION. So not tons of info on their webpage. They have a very small roadmap on here. So their roadmap says starting with phase 1 is pre-sale launch and then pre-sale conclusion. Phase 2, token distribution, decentralized exchange listings, so Jupiter, RAYDIUM, etc. Phase 3, memes and airdrops, and then central exchange listings after that. So if you're looking for this project here, I am going to put their Twitter up right here on the screen as usual. So their Twitter is @SOLVATION Coin. Now they also have a Telegram at SOLVATION_coin. Their Telegram has 3,406 members, 74 online. That's a great place to join the discussion, talk to community members, see what they think about this project. It says, welcome to the ultimate crypto paradise. Solvation is your ticket to the financial heaven. And then it says pre-sales live, secure your bag, and then it has a link to their webpage on their Telegram there. And so their Twitter has a blue verified check mark, 172 tweets, almost 2,000 followers, has a link to their webpage right there where they're having the pre-sale. They just joined in March 2024. Blessed are the holders of SOLV. They shall reapeth the rewards. The one and only official page of the Solvation meme coin. And it says the social media airdrop, and they have information about that in their pinned tweet if you want to check that out there. But also, so on their webpage, you can click on the pre-sale button. And, okay, so that just kind of scrolled me down there. That's, oh, right there, buy. Okay, so you have to click on the buy SOLV token that's down below. The first one doesn't work. I guess that's planned for Jupiter. Then it has a pre-sale address, and it says copy the address, or it's got a QR code. It says send SOL or USDT, USDC to the pre-sale address, and then it shows how to buy Solana from central exchanges. I do have central exchange links down there in the description box, some referral codes. Check those out. Then it says create a Phantom, a Soulflare wallet, etc. Send whatever, and then congratulations. So just go through that steps if you want to get this token. Now, before you do anything though, there's a disclaimer at the bottom of the page. It says SOLV is a meme-based cryptocurrency devoid of intrinsic value and not intended for investment purposes. It functions primarily as a community and cultural token akin to Pepe, offering no guarantees or utility, serving purely for entertainment. But besides that, as I scrolled through their entire web page here, I don't see any document section or anything like that. Now, I haven't went through their 172 tweets, but as I'm scrolling down, there's just a lot of memes. There's info about news articles and them being live for pre-sale and stuff like that, but I have not seen at all any sort of audit or even a quick audit, and I have not seen any sort of KYC or team doxing or anything like that. So there is like little to no security on this token whatsoever. So just totally be aware of that before even thinking about getting this token, is that I can't even find an audit to review on here. So not only is it not secure, it's just you can't even figure out if it's secure or not. Yeah, so anyways, let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.